Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Twoloosebricks back here, and I've been really busy, but I got a little Lego haul here, and I got 3 little minifigures, and I'll show you what they are afterwards. However, I just wanted to show you these bags because now you can't even tell what the codes are. There's no bump codes, there's no nothing on them anymore. This is like a factory code up here. So they're all the same, so you really gotta start feeling for the parts. There's no way you can tell what these things are anymore, so I don't know what to tell you. It's just feel for the parts. You gotta look for the feel for the parts. It's usually not that bad. You can feel for them, but that's about the only way you know which ones are which now. Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. Well, today I have a mini Lego haul. It is only 2 of the Series 19 minifigures, but I went looking for these, and well, I got the gamer guy on the right and the pet owner, but I guess it's more of the, you know, pet cleanup crew girl, pet cleanup crew person, or dog owner as they call it. It's on the left with 2 dogs and 2 pieces of poop. And let me just say, the gamer guy is pretty cool in himself, and well, the dogs and the poop thing can come in quite handy, because the 2 pieces of poop can come in quite handy because they can be used for like chocolate ice cream tops or sundae tops or just about any kind of decoration or finials or anything. So not are they only dog poop, you can use them for any kind of creation really. So, you know, it's got kind of crappy, but I know, this is a crappy haul, but it is what it is. No, I know this is a crappy haul, no pun intended, but it is what it is. I've been trying to get the flamingo lady with the flamingo, because I want a bunch of flamingos. And I've gone through bags after bags after bags, but they must have been picked through, and they must have been the first ones gone, because I went through 3 different boxes at Toys R Us the other day, and I could not get that flamingo girl. Anyway, the other ones that I did get, though, was a fox, and a mummy, which I am sending to somebody, and we got the rainbow teddy bear, and I think that was it. The pizza guy is really easy to find, and so is the girl on the bike, because they're the big parts, and you can really find them easy. But these ones were in bags, the dogs and the poop, so they're kind of hard to feel for, but feel for the shovel and the long dog, the wiener dog. This guy over here, feel for the 2x3 tile and or the controller. The controller's kind of hard because it's small, but the 2x3 tile, if you feel for that, you can find that. So there is another set. The pizza guy has a 2x3 tile as well, but you can tell it's not the pizza guy because it doesn't have the big piece of pizza that fits over his head type of thing. So this one is easy to find. If you're looking for the gamer guy, 2x3 tile, fill that out. It's smaller than the base plate, and it has no pizza head in it. Anyway, that's about that. I guess this has gone to the dogs now. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later.